Hi! Today I'm going to be bringing you another wig dyeing video. Yes, it's a wig if you didn't notice from the thumbnail. We've got new dyes and we've got new wig and we've got new apparatus. Point of this video, I have a new wig. Look, I'm lifting her up. Really gorgeous, really nice, really long human hair blonde wig from Perfect Lace Wigs, obviously, duh. I love my Perfect Lace Wigs, I think they're amazing, you guys know this. Anyways, I got a brand new wig from them that I'm going to be dyeing. Da 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 da, shocker! Pink. I have more Tang colors. As you guys know, I love the mydentity range that Tang has, obviously. And today I'm going to be going for kind of a blush mixture. Let me just show you what I'm going for. So I'm mixing these two colors. So that's 10 rose gold, 9 rose gold with blush. In the camera, I don't know why, it's looking very just boring blonde, but in reality I'm hoping it's gonna turn out quite a bit more pink, since currently this lady is looking just a bit brassy and yellow. These are all the dyes that I'm gonna be using. There are a bunch of R's. Oh wait, no, not 10 RG, 7 RG. I'm also going to very quickly wet the whole entire wig, and I'm going to be applying the dye mixture onto the wet hair. Again, I want a softer, more pastel color. Without further ado, let's get on with this video. Everything is going to be down in the description box below. So here is the dye ready. I just basically mixed half a tube of each of the colors in here and then mixed in the 6 volume developer 1:2. So basically I used double the developer, and this is the result. And now I'm just going to basically apply this all over the wig. You'll see as I go along. I will let this process for 20 minutes, rinse it off, and then tomorrow I'll be back with it all styled. Don't fall. I don't know how to clean up dye from anywhere. Here I'm just mixing up a super thick batch of bleach with 30 volume developer. I'm making this super thick because I'm applying this to the underside of my wig and I can't let it seep through to the other side and actually bleach my hair. I'm doing this so that I bleach the knots of the wig so that when I put it on there won't be little black dots. And I did this once before and I found that it really worked. Hi. Okay, so somehow my audio on my camera decided to not work actually not record at all, so I'm doing a voiceover for my outro. Enjoy. So this is how the wig turned out. I could not be absolutely happier with it. It is the exact thing that I was hoping, which was basically a super pastel rose gold color that I think looks phenomenal on this wig and the style and everything. It's such a casual look, it's not over the top, it's nothing super eye-catchy, but it's so gorgeous and flattering, I think, on a lot of skin tones. Everything with regards to wig details, hair coloring details, styling details, whatever, is going to be down in the description box below. The wig, as I said, is from Perfect Lace Wigs. I love them. I absolutely love their stuff. So if you want to dye your own wig, get one from there. They also have really, really nice wigs that are already made. I really, really hope you enjoyed this video and that you will try it out for yourself, because I think it's a really, really gorgeous color, especially for spring. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in my next video.